Hey Jeepers, join us in exploring ways to enhance your Jeep journey. Our lineup is crafted from our evaluations, studies, and input from specific users. We've weighed factors like quality, features, and brand recognition to pinpoint the best options. While this reflects our preferences, we're eager to hear your opinions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Stash flashlights, tools, first aid must-haves, or trail maps within quick reach so jungle journeys never stall for lack of preparation again. Compact camping cookware? Emergency blankets for abrupt storms? Kinetic chargers when engines idle? Check. Essential elements of off-grid existence at your fingertips wherever wanderlust lead. See how the zippered Velcro panels cling securely to roll bars, stance widened to hold more handy helpers than closed bags can contain. So kiss cumbersome storage boxes adieu and embrace freedom delivered light and lean for maximum mobility. 3-piece kit shields Jeep interiors from mud and moisture. Floor mats trap wet dirt and snow, while waterproof seat back covers safeguard upholstery. A form-fitted Wrangler cargo liner prevents spills and gear movement. No more post-adventure cleanup. Rubber textures and reservoir walls ease draining and rinsing. Durable shells protect surfaces without harming trim, maintaining factory-installed look. Durable brown faux leather seat covers, and more, provide custom protection for Wrangler JK and JL models. Abrasion-resistant double stitching and grippy backing stand up to daily use without pilling or shifting, and attached to factory mounting points for easy installation or removal. Kit visually enhances interior by protecting seats from premature fading, stains and damage from top to bottom impacts. Let durable yet stylish barriers extend life of your standard upholstery despite heavy outdoor use. Is your Jeep's gas door an unlocked temptation for sticky-fingered punks eager to make off with their precious gas? Discourage fuel theft without taking this capless trick apart. Cap brings a funky off-road vibe to your vehicle with a design inspired by car wool patterns, making your gas tank stand out. Crafted with top-notch materials, it's built to endure toughest conditions, ensuring your fuel stays secure. Made specifically for Jeep Wrangler JK models, it's perfect fit for your gas tank. Sometimes proper preparation means pretense that hides opportunities from observers. Unleash fearsome Xprite guard and ward off intruders hungry for your precious gasoline by gallon. Brighter shield, safer it is to stay at station. Step up your car's safety game with these high-mount brake lights. Unlike regular tail lights, these lights are strategically positioned at the top rear, offering ample time for vehicles behind to react and enhance road safety. Not only do they prioritize safety, but they also give your car a unique, personalized style that stands out from the crowd. This lighting isn't just for looks, it's super bright and features LED chips and a smoke lens for maximum brightness, making your stoplights impossible to miss, promoting safety for everyone on the road. These brake lights have got moves. Offering 4 lighting modes, reversing, braking, turning, and running lights, they bring diverse functionalities to your driving experience, ensuring you're seen and safe in various situations. Crafted from durable materials, these lights provide a cool aesthetic and play a crucial role in illuminating your path, even during off-road adventures. Built tough to handle all kinds of weather conditions, the high-strength waterproof ceiling keeps out dust, rain, and snow, ensuring functionality no matter the elements. Installing these lights is a breeze with a powerful tape design, making it hassle-free and convenient. Just ensure you read the instructions thoroughly before setting them up. They're a perfect fit for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK JKU 4-door models. Elevate your car's safety and style game with these high-mount brake lights. Revamp your Wrangler's door space with these ingenious door organizer trays. Specifically designed to fit a wide range of Wrangler models, including the Sports, Sahara, Freedom, Rubicon, and more, trays are here to level up your storage game. While the front door installation may require a bit of drilling, these trays snugly fit into place, crafted from tough black hard plastic that's flexible enough to adapt without interfering with your Wrangler's door function. Trays are all about that perfect fit. They're just the right size and attach seamlessly to your Wrangler's doors, mimicking the original car products without any messy glue installation. Say goodbye to worries about sticky residue left on your car after removing them. Organize your Wrangler's door space like a pro with door organizer trays that offer both functionality and an aesthetically pleasing addition to Jeep's interior. Upgrade your Jeep's hood with durable and stylish aluminum hood latches. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy and die-cast stainless steel, latches are designed to withstand the toughest terrain and wildest rides. Forget about rust and scratches, these latches boast an upgraded paint process that's both scratch-resistant and rust-proof, ensuring they stay stylish for the long haul. And speaking of style, these latches don a retro American flag pattern, adding a touch of patriotism to your Jeep and making it an eye-catching standout on the road. Say goodbye to hood flutter when tackling rough roads or navigating through unruly weather conditions. The latches are designed to keep your hood secure, even at high speeds. Worried about installation? Don't be. These latches are hassle-free, utilizing the same mounting points as the stock ones. No drilling or modifications needed, simply bolt them on for a quick and easy replacement. With straightforward instructions or a helpful installation video, you'll have them installed in about 25 minutes. Adjustability is the name of the game here. Customize the tension to secure your hood just the way you prefer. Test and tweak until you find that perfect tension, ensuring your hood stays firmly in place while maintaining an ideal distance from the top of the latches. With these aluminum hood latches, your Jeep will not only look cooler but also stay secure on every adventure. Hey Jeepers! Tired of struggling with overhead and door deadbolts? Meet Tool Set, your hardtop's faithful assistant, made from premium chrome vanadium steel. After heat treatment, have a hardness of over 60 HRC, providing durability and strength to withstand even toughest bolts. Prepackaged kit has got your back with all the Torx and bits needed to give your Jeep's top and doors some much needed TLC. Plus, it's compact enough to slide right into your Jeep without taking up too much precious space. No more fiddling and fussing. Kit features a quick mount and release design that's as easy as pressing a button. It's simple, sturdy, and boosts efficiency when taking off or putting on your Jeep's top and doors. What's the twist? Well, it's not just any old wrench. This bent ratchet wrench offers more torque and swing room for those tricky Torx bits. Its low profile ensures it won't get in way when you're working on the doors, making the process smoother and hassle-free. Consider this your Jeep's best buddy. A must-have for Wrangler owners, small yet powerful ratchet won't scratch that beautiful paint job. It's compact enough for easy storage in your glove box, console, toolbox, or wherever you see fit. Are objects sliding around your Jeep like they're on an ice skating rink? Advanced storage designed to keep your gear under control. This isn't just any ordinary storage box, it's like a mini treasure chest for your Jeep. Store everything from your smartphone to your sunglasses, keys to coins, and even that emergency hand cream. But wait, there's more. Need to charge up on the go? Here's a bonus. It comes with a slot for a dual USB charger, perfect for juicing up your electronics on the go. Finished with a sleek black texture that perfectly complements your Jeep's console, it's the wild off-road style your Wrangler deserves. And guess what? No need to break out the toolbox or get messy with glue. Installation is a breeze. Just place it in, use the car-specific double-sided adhesive provided to secure it, and voila! No more jitters caused by bumpy rides. Flimsy phone mounts? Not here. An all-in-one phone holder that's a game changer for your mobile gadgets in your Jeep and literally supports your back with a durable metal support bar, eliminating flimsy plastic forever. No more fears of your phone taking a tumble. Now, let's talk setup, a simple 5-step process to get things rolling. Stick the support and extension rods, attach the phone holder, tweak the angles, and you're set. No rocket science involved. Thanks to its clever ball seat design, adjust away. Whether it's recording, navigating with GPS, or even a bit of filming, this holder's got your back. Plus, it's not just a phone buddy, it's also compatible with action cameras, POV cameras, and more. Worried about those bumpy off-road drives? Fear not. The anti-skid base ensures your gadgets stay put without any slips or slides. It's a snug fit for all phones between 4 to 7 wide, and with thick cases, your tech is in safe hands. Upgrade your Jeep Wrangler with anti-shake mirror doors. Offering wide 7.8-inch view for safer drives, reinforced glass mirrors come with adjustable angles and handy blind spot mirror. No more wind whistling in your ears. Streamlined mirrors keep things quiet while you cruise. Plus, stability is key. Fixed rods form a sturdy triangular shape, so say goodbye to shaky mirrors. Installation? A breeze. No fussing with disassembly each time you hit the trails. Just wrench and you're all set. Get ready for clearer visions even on rainy days with bonus waterproof film. Please subscribe for more videos.